Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can make a professional Pinterest account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open Pinterest on your phone. After that, what you need to do is go to your profile and tap on the profile on the top left hand corner. Click on View Profile and go to Edit Profile. You can see that this is your profile. Now what you need to do to make it professional is add all your details. Go ahead and edit your profile picture, click on update and select the profile picture which perfectly describes you. So after you add a profile picture, you can start doing things. So this is the profile picture I want to choose. After I choose it, you can see that you click done. In a while the profile picture will be updated and then it will denote who the person is on the photo. Make sure it is you because people will view you as the photo you have added. After that, you can edit your first name, your surname and your username. So make sure the username is attractive because this also matters. Go ahead and change the profile picture, your first name, your surname and the username. Make sure the username is attractive. Now you should go to About. Now you can tell what you do, what you love, and you can describe about yourself. After that, click on Done. Scroll a bit down and you can see the website option. What you need to do is write down your website option. As people view your profile, they can view your website and they can know more about you. This way your account will be more professional than before. So you can see in the layout section, you can show all pins. People visiting your profile will be able to see all connections of all the pins you have saved. The pins saved to secret boards won't be visible, so you can turn this on. Go ahead and click on Done. So if the profile picture has not been added, you can see that the username has not been changed, so you can change the username. After you change the username, click on Done and there you go. Now what you need to do is go back to your profile over here, go to profile visibility and make sure that this is turned off, because if this is turned on, the private profile option will be turned on. When your profile is private, only people you can approve can see your profile. Pins, boards, followers and following list will be hidden as well, so you can turn this off as well. So guys, this is how easily you can make a professional Pinterest account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.